Okay, so we are going to take a look at limiting reactants. This is going to be kind of a quick step-by-step process for limiting reactants. And so right now it is Wednesday night. Thursday night I'm going to put together a much longer step-by-step video. And so Friday at school you should be able to get the longer explanation about limiting reactants. For right now, if you're doing limiting reactants, this should get you through the process, and then you should come back to that video to understand why you're doing these steps. We're going to start assuming that we've been given mass of the reactants. Okay, your first step when you're given mass of the reactants is to convert both reactants from mass to moles. And you do this using molar mass. This allows us to use the chemical equation to compare our different reactants. Next up, you're going to choose a product. Doesn't matter what product, as long as you use the same product. So you're choosing a product, and what you're going to do is you're going to calculate the amount, i.e. moles, of that product that would be produced by each amount, i.e. moles, of the given reactant. So you're saying, if I put in reactant A, how much of this product would I generate? If I put in all of reactant B and reacted all of it, how much of this product would I generate? Okay, then what we do from there, number 3, the limiting reactant is the reactant that produces the smaller amount of product. Okay? So, this amount is the amount that actually determines how much of everything else that gets used up. For every other step of these kinds of calculations, you want to use moles of the limiting reactant. Okay, so we're using the moles of the limiting reactant because this is going to be the amount that actually determines how much reaction it has. When I run out of limiting reactant, no more reaction happens, so I can't use more or produce more of anything else. Okay, that wraps up that. All of these 3 steps correlate exactly to what's in your notes. If you have other questions, I suggest you seek myself out or a classmate.